very warm welcome to our show, and today is Telex 25's second day, as we know, and we named it Mahakumbh, right? So, how's the experience? And first of all, we want to know means like what do you do and how you contribute to this steel industry.
Hello, thank you for having me here. I'm Aditi Damani from Damani Castings Private Limited, a small steel industry based out of Wada, Palghar. We are into billet manufacturing and we've recently acquired the company. We're running the show smooth and flowing, trying to adapt to the steel industry, trying to understand the manufacturing units, its ups and downs, but it's been a very interesting journey, quite enjoying it. And yes, of course, that's it.
So, so far you have researched about the technology or something which is beneficial for the entire industry. If you have some valuable knowledge, we would love to know that.
There's a very interesting conversation going around green steel, hydrogen, DRI and CCUS, that's the carbon credit captures. I was hosting a conference, a roundtable session on the same, which is breakthrough technologies on DRI, CCUS and green hydrogen. It has been a very insightful session. Learned a lot about it, learned a lot about how your CCUS, carbon captures, and green hydrogen is going to play a pivotal role in the near future for the green steel industry.
Yes.
One thing that we've learned is that to achieve your green steel mission that was set by India, looking forward for suppose 2030 is what they were aiming, at least some part of it.
Yes.
Here a very important role comes in where the policymakers and the industrialists come together.
Okay.
Plus, the startups and AI technologies have been driven its force in the industry, gathering information, coming up with a new technology every day, showing insights, being resourceful and helpful. That's how we've, I think, evolving our steel industry, and we look forward to that. However, here the point comes about carbon captures, where everyone is aiming to come to net zero carbon emission.
Yes.
Because India itself is globally producing about 5% of carbon emission on throughout regular basis. Let's understand how do we try to subside it, how do we aim to net zero. That's a very interesting topic that I think we are learning. We are trying to upscale ourselves and start adapting to this sustainability culture.
Okay, so you have talked about the breakthrough technologies, and we are aiming for 300 million ton by 2030, right? And this is a big task and very optimistic vision as well. So do you find that this particular technology can help to achieve that target?
I'm sure that goes hand in hand. It will help to achieve it and make a sustainable future globally for us. Implementation comes together.
Okay.
It's a cluster work. It cannot be done individually. Whole of India is coming together as IFA Steelex Mahakumbh.
Yes.
I think we've already seen the roadshow that's coming together. The way everyone is looking forward to this event for next year, starting today only. I think it's a group work. It's a teamwork that's happening around.
Yes.
And I do hope that we do come to that commitment real soon.
Yes, definitely, and means people from across the cities, states, everybody is coming together and they are finding solutions. They are finding and having the zeal to achieve that target, and that's not that's not very far, because if you are saying that technologies can work in that way, obviously. So you participated in Steelex 25. So what you have figured out that what is the best thing you have experienced this time?
Networking.
Okay.
Networking. This is a platform where you network with pan-India industrialists, policymakers, global changers, AI innovators, and startup foundations also, where this one platform is giving you so much of insight, so much of richful knowledge that is going to enrich you for the upcoming year. You understand what others are facing, you try to implement it in your own situation, they help you, you help them out. I think IFA SteelX is famous for this, and it comes with a very strong motive, which is as equivalent as one nation, one drive.
Industry.
Yeah.
Yes, definitely.
That's how it's coming.
So you have anything means like any suggestion that can means like improve some loopholes if you find any. Means like, do you have any suggestion or solution if you want to share?
I don't think so.
Okay.
IFA is doing an incredible job.
All right, but you have shared valuable knowledge, and obviously, if we'll be having the the right technique, we can achieve anything in this world. And SteelX 25 is like doing it fabulously. Thank you so much for sharing such
Thank you.
valuable details.
Thank you for having
Thanks.
me.
Yeah.
Thank you.